my very good friend David Murathe and SG and many guys that we have not had the opportunity to meet. And I think Senator Haji has, as he was known for, the late Senator Haji, a man who brings people together. So first I want to offer my condolences to the Executive Director of the Jubilee Party, Mzee Waweru, a man we worked with since the formation of Jubilee, when he was in Lavington, all the time when he was here. And we pray to God that his family gets all the patience, and we all of us give him a decent burial. Number two, I want to thank and wish her well the wife of my very good friend Wakape Mheshimiwa, who a number of times during his the period he was sick, I moved a number of bills and motions on his behalf. He was one of my very, very good friends. I also want to wish Mheshimiwa Opore, who I have served with him in Parliament, in the 11th Parliament, so I wish you all the best. Coming to Abdul Yusuf Haji, and on behalf of the Pastorist Parliamentary Group, and on behalf of which I am the patron, and on behalf of the Northeastern Parliamentary Group, together with our colleagues from Marsabit, Isiolo, Tana River, all of us, Mandera, Wajir, we have agreed, despite our political differences, because the members of parliament, you see, some are from Kanu, some are from different parties. Despite our political differences, despite our clan differences, despite our religious orientation, we have agreed the best we could do for the late Senator Haji, a man we respect a lot, that the remaining period, it is paramount that his son, who is also a member and a leader in the Jubilee Party, who is the organizing secretary, and who was the right-hand man of Mzee, be our flag bearer. The elders, the religious leaders, the political class, the professionals, all our political leaders, led by even the president, we have agreed in principle, and inshallah, we suspect come 29th when he will, or 30th, when he is going to present his nomination papers to IEBC, he will be the sole candidate. And we hope on that day, if he is the sole candidate, there and then IEBC will issue with him the certificate that we usually get after very vigorous counting of votes. Then after that, 30th, then I think Fatuma and Mahmoud and the clerk of the Senate and the Speaker of the Senate will do due diligence in making him. We have, as a community, we have no doubt that Abdul Yusuf Haji has, inshallah, has the capacity, has the competence, has the qualification to be our senator and join the other senators of Kenya. So thank you, sir, SG. Thank you, David, and the chair, he's here, and the family of Jubilee. I was a founder member of Jubilee. The way I was a founder member of ODM many years, he knows. The way I was a founder member of URP. But I am one person who plays very decent politics. And thank you all these leaders from all parties. Thank you very much. And we pray to all of them to win their elections. And also, congratulations to Abdul. We cherish your father, and we hope you will not fit into the shoes of Mzee, but you try fitting. We will help you, work with you, and be part of our team.